Alright, so first take note that every line is about 1 car length, and every space in between each line is about 2 car lengths.
Point Break, forum from 9 until 11 this morning.
As you can see, the 2 left and 2 right lanes are now separated by a solid white line. I'm assuming the semi thought that the right lane goes somewhere different, so as you can see they're signaling left, but they didn't watch for other cars on the side, and you can see they almost caused a multiple car pileup.
Or at progressive.com or 1-800-PROGRESSIVE. The size...
There's low visibility reported ahead.
Alright, so here you can see that road. As you can see, it's going towards Oakland and Berkeley. But anyways, let's zoom in so I can show you. Okay, so here's that road. As you can see, you got the 4. This is the split here. So if we move back to the beginning of that solid white line, okay, I mean, you'll be able to see it on the video as well. But let me see here. Okay, so every one of these white ones is about 1 car, and then the space in between is about 2. So let's go ahead and count. That's about, okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57. Okay, so after this spot, that's 57. So that's where the truck was kind of already going in. So then when you get here, that's over 60. Okay, so nearly 60 car lengths. That's where the truck decided to merge over to the left. And you can see the patch of plants here that they were like worried they were going to hit. But they were so worried they were going to hit this that they didn't see that they were going to hit a truck, the pickup truck. Or maybe they saw the pickup truck and they're like, it'll move out of the way. I don't know. But yes, it's the it's the semi-truck's fault, but there's a way the city or whoever designs these roads can fix this problem so it's less dangerous like this. When people see this solid white lane, they panic and they're like, I need to figure out if I need to be in the left lane or right lane. And they'll think if they're in the right lane, they're going to exit. So what the city or highway or whoever makes those signs, they can put a big sign across both lanes, which shows 4 arrows pointing in the same direction, going to the same place, Oakland or Berkeley or whatever. Okay, so they can easily put that, and that'll prevent these kinds of accidents. I don't know how often accidents happen here, but if there are like accidents happening here because of this merge, they need to put a sign there. That would help prevent those accidents. As you can see, these 2 tunnels, let me see if it'll show. I don't know if you can see, it says that Caldecott or whatever tunnel. They're both number 24. Okay, there you go. So you can see they're both Caldecott tunnel. Okay, oops. All right. If you want, you can call that number and spam the spammers back. But anyways, as you can see, these go to the same place. Okay, they both exit out here, and now they both end up here. See those 4 lanes? They merge back together. And I don't know how you would get to this right side if that's an exit, but these 4, you can see, they are now this 1 lane again, and now you can merge back over to any lanes you want. So they could easily solve the confusion there, prevent accidents if there are accidents, by putting a sign showing 4 arrows that they go to the same place. And yeah, I don't know what's going on with this other exit lane, but as you can see now, you can actually go in there as well. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Why'd they have that extra? Oh, no, that's a different entrance. So I don't know. This is an exit to, where's that exiting to? Caldecott Lane. Okay. So I guess that one, if you stay in the far right, then you can actually go over to Caldecott Lane. Yeah, and the other one, if you exit earlier, where's that? Does it show here? That's Old Tunnel Road. So if you go in there, that doesn't go on the tunnels, then you have to go to that Fish Ranch Road. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Luckily, the accident was avoided.
Towards a fairer, more just, and civil society. More information is available